Okay, now we're going to press on with the next question, now that we have the table all filled out. It says, Erstelle ein Säulendiagramm, das die Anzahl der Grundschule in den 3 Gruppen darstellt. So it says, now make a bar chart, so a bar graph that shows the number of elementary school students in each of the 3 groups. And for every 100 students, you should use 5 centimeters. And how many students do we have total? We have 320. So if 100 students is supposed to be 5 centimeters, so we're supposed to have 5 centimeters for 100 students. How many centimeters, that's a question, are supposed to be for 320 students? So we're asking, what is X? How many students are we supposed to have? How many centimeters are we supposed to have for 320? So here you have to solve. So the way you solve is you multiply both of these by 320. So this cancels out, and you get 320 over here. And so then you have X is equal to 320 times 5 divided by 100. So 320 times 5 divided by 100 is 16. So 16 centimeters. Okay, good. So that was just a little bit of background work. Now let's see, let's try to actually draw our bar chart. So this particular thing is 14, so there's 14 right there. I need to add another 2 because my ruler is short. Okay, so that's my 16 centimeters. And that would be for all 320 students. Now, how high should this be? So this is 100% of the students, is 16 centimeters. How about the Catholic, the students in the Catholic? They are 208 out of that 320. And we already figured that out. 208 divided by 320 times 100 was 65%. So basically, we could just say, well, for the Catholics, we have 208 students, and we're going to, we said that that was 65%. And if we take 65% times the 16 centimeters, so remember when you do multiply percent, you have to move this over. So we basically have to figure out 0.65 times 16, and that's going to be, so 16 times 0.65 is 10.4 centimeters for the Catholics. So now let's just come along here, and 7, 10. Okay, now I just need to measure out 10.4 centimeters. And that was my 65%, and that will be the 208 students that take Catholic, and labeling that, that's 10.4 centimeters. Okay, how about the Evangelisch? Evangelisch was 64 students, and that was only 20%. So 20%, if the whole thing is 16 centimeters, 20% of 16 centimeters We take this over here, so we get 0.20 times 16. And so 0.2 times 16 is 3.2 centimeters for the Evangelisch. So, so 1, 2, 3.2. 3.2 centimeters, and that's just 20%, and that's for the 64 Evangelisch. And then finally we have ethics. And in ethics, we have 77 students. Oops, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing. We have 48 students. Okay, so 48 students, and we said that that was 15% times our 16 centimeters, because we need to know how tall to make it. You move this over, so we have 0.15 times 16. .15 times 16 is 2.4 centimeters. Take our ruler and measure out 2.4. And then that's going to be the 15%. That is 48 kids who are in ethics, and that's going to be 2.4 centimeters. So that is answering this next question, that question B.